Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, I'm going to work on getting these two ducts wrapped with that radiant barrier. And yesterday I was able to get that big HVAC duct wrapped. And as a side note, in case you see it in this video or in future videos, if you see sweat on the outer part of the radiant barrier, it's mainly because the room is open to a more humid environment. Once I get the floor down, the crawl space should be a lot cooler, so there won't be as much of a temperature difference between the cold air that's inside that pipe that's transferring out a little bit, and so it shouldn't sweat as much. So I'm gonna get that done today, and I think that's all I'll have time to do. So I hope you enjoy today's content. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and enjoy the clip.